Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well and keeping safe. So today I have a different video for you guys. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button before watching. Click the notification bell so that each time I post you'll be the first one to be notified. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below after watching the video till the end. And don't forget to share the video so that we can get to 1000 subscribers. We are there, guys. By the end of this month, I know we can make it. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So guys, this is the final look. Tell me what you think about it. Leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. If you've been subscribed, click that subscription button right now. And also don't forget to share with your friends, family and anyone else that you know. Thank you very much for your support and